Telugu actor and mega superstar Allu Arjun has now been arrested in connection with a stampede that occurred during the premiere of his film Pushpa 2 The Rule in Hyderabad back on December 4th. The incident resulted in an unfortunate death of a 39-year-old woman named Revati and left her son critically injured as well. The police had registered a case against the management of Sandhya Theatre where this incident actually happened. Allu Arjun and his security team as well, stating that they were not informed about the actor's arrival at the event. In fact, officers also revealed that inadequate crowd management and lack of separate entry and exit points for the actor's team actually contributed to the chaos that erupted over there. We are also hearing in terms of the cases filed against him that a case under section 105 punishment for culpable homicide not amounting to murder and 118 subsection 1 that is for voluntarily causing hurt or grievous hurt has been registered at Chikkadpalli police station based on the complaint of the deceased woman's family. The incident is being investigated further and strict legal action is going to be taken against all those who are responsible. That's the official word that we heard. In fact, on Friday, a team of Hyderabad Police Commissioner Task Force and Chikkadpalli police station took Arjun into custody from his residence. He is now expected to be presented before the magistrate later today only. Meanwhile, Sandhya Theatre's owner and 2 employees have already been arrested in this particular case, and Sandhya Theatre management remains to be the prime accused in the case as well. According to the investigation, the theatre management failed to ensure proper crowd control measures. At around 9:30 p.m., Allu Arjun arrived at the venue with the personal security team and the crowd then surged towards him. Allegedly, his security personnel began pushing the public here and there as well, worsening the chaotic situation. The actor had earlier approached the Telangana High Court very recently seeking to have his name removed from this particular FIR, but the petition has not been heard either. Rest of the cast members, like that of Rashmika Mandana, in fact, Maitri movie makers have already apologized for what exactly transpired at Sandhya Movie Theatre. Apart from that, we also learned how Allu Arjun actually tried giving rupees 25 lakh to the victim's family. But as of now, the latest update is that he has been arrested. Further updates will come and we will continue to track and deliver it to you as well. Stay tuned.